Hair removal during transitioning. During transitioning, there are a host of aspects that a trans woman must take into account. One of those is body hair. If you transition before puberty, you may not have developed body hair, facial hair, and so on, although that largely depends on your genes. So if you did develop some hair before transitioning, it may be a trigger for your dysphoria. Shaving is obviously not a permanent solution and can be quite time-consuming. So let us look at some other alternatives in this article. Before that, it is important to understand that there are 3 main phases of hair growth. In each of these phases, there is growth across various parts of your body. The first phase is the anagen phase, which is also known as the growth phase, when the hair follicle is nourished by blood flow, facilitating hair growth. It is highly recommended to undergo treatment in this phase since the hair is in the growing stage. In the next phase, the catagen phase, the hair begins to get shut out of the follicle. In other words, the growth phase has concluded. After this phase, treatment with laser and electrolysis is not as effective. Finally, there is the telogen phase or the resting phase. The treatment will not work during this phase, since the hair is still within the follicle while new hair is growing underneath. No treatment can help you reach the hair underneath. It is worth noting that different hairs may be in different cycles at the same time. This is the reason why, following laser or electrolysis, some patches of skin may show hair regrowth while others may not. This is also why hair removal requires several sessions. This article discusses 2 primary types of permanent hair removal: laser and electrolysis. Laser is ideal for those with dark hair and fair skin. The reason is that the laser tends to detect the melanin or pigment in the hair shaft, where it contrasts from the lighter skin, and a beam of light is projected, which converts into heat and damages the follicle to stop hair growth altogether. Thus, if you already have light hair, it may not be very effective. It's also important to note that there are several types of laser machines. Alexandrite laser is believed to be the most effective and is widely employed in laser salons across the country. When you are undergoing laser treatment on your face, you are provided with a pair of goggles to protect your cornea. It's not very painful either. However, that will depend on the area where you're getting it done, as well as your own pain tolerance. Today, many trans women have turned to IPL laser or an intense pulsed light laser, which can be used practically anywhere on the body. Moreover, these devices are effective on a range of skin tones as well. Although it may not be as effective as professional laser systems, it is very inexpensive in comparison. Moreover, you can do it at the convenience of your own home. You can change the settings depending on your pain tolerance. If it's high, you can turn it up to max. Permanent hair removal with laser in a parlor would require 4 to 12 sessions, with $60 to $120 per session. Trans women typically have hair growing practically everywhere, making it an extremely expensive procedure. Thus, for many, IPL is the best bet. Electrolysis is the second method of permanent hair removal. While it is very painful, it is also extremely effective. Electrolysis treats each strand of hair individually, and thus, there is a need for your hair to grow out of it. Moreover, it is extremely effective regardless of your hair type or your skin type. Light skin, dark skin, fuzzy hair, thin hair, dark hair, doesn't matter. Electrolysis can help. In this procedure, a needle is inserted into the hair follicle and treated with either shortwave radio or direct electrical current. This damages the hair follicle to prevent hair growth. Electrolysis is the most painful method in general, while being particularly painful in specific areas such as the upper lip. Again, since hair grows in different cycles, you would be required to undergo multiple sessions. Eventually, however, the sessions do get shorter, decreasing from 90 minutes to 45 minutes. In conclusion, permanent hair removal takes a lot of time and effort. However, if you are a trans woman dealing with gender dysphoria, this is a great solution. We hope we've helped. Good luck!